Hi, I'm Jon Meyers, a realtor with Soodo Real Estate, a Keller Williams company. And today I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of our newest listing, 11089 Golf Links Drive in Oakland, California. It has a list price of $1,198,000 and it has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths with 1,874 square feet of living space. And the best part is you have a little over a half-acre lot to do with whatever you choose. So come and take a look for yourself.